Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Bitbuy. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and on the search bar simply typing bitbuy.com, and then you'll be sent to the Bitbuy homepage. Now be sure to be logged into your account. Now on the top bar you'll be seeing multiple options. Simply click on the option that says wallet, and once you click on wallet you'll be sent to this page. Now all you gotta do is select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit from Binance. And now let's just assume this is Bitcoin. I want to deposit it. Now simply click on deposit, and once you click on deposit here you'll be sent to this page. Now only send Ethereum to this wallet. Sending any other coin or token to this wallet may result in the loss of your deposit. And check this warning as well. If you are depositing Ethereum from Binance, it must be sent as an ERC20 transaction, and BEP2 and BEP20 deposits are not supported and are not recoverable by Bitbuy. So just keep this in mind. And once you're done with that, here you can see your wallet address and your QR code as well. Either you can just scan it or just copy the wallet address. And once you're done with this, what you need to do is head over to your Binance homepage or Binance page. And once you're there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. And now on the top right corner of the screen, you'll be seeing an option that says wallet. Simply click on it. And once you click on it, here you'll be seeing fiat and spot option, or you can see an option right here. Simply click on it and that will display your assets on Binance. Now what you need to do is simply select Bitcoin, or simply head over to the right hand side of the screen and you'll be seeing these options: buy, sell, deposit, withdraw, trade on, and convert. Simply click on withdraw, and once you click on withdraw here, you'll have an option that says address. Now all you gotta do is simply click on it and then paste the wallet address from your Bitbuy. And once you do that, the next thing is to select the network. It says wallet address automatically match the corresponding network, and for some reason if this is not showing, then what you can do is simply click on this network option and then select the network from which you are sending your cryptocurrency to, right? And now all you gotta do is select it, and once you are done with that, the next thing is to enter in the amount that you want to send and then click on withdraw. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.